This 2026 Palomino Puma Destination 420 LFT is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Byron, Georgia, 31008 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Byron-Macon. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Palomino is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.